Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Mazda CX-5 with Super Plus unleaded fuel or petrol. Before refueling, close all doors, windows and the liftgate and switch ignition off. To open the full filler flap, pull the remote full flip. Release. Job's done. Yet, let's go. To remove the full filler cap, turn it anti-clockwise. Yeah, that's awesome. Then attach the removed cap to the inner side of the full filler flap. Then choose Super Plus Unleaded Petrol. Dip it in position, use the full or refueled pistol, and lock it. Wow. It's important. Do not continue refilling after the fuel pump nozzle shuts off automatically. Continuing to add fuel after the fuel pump nozzle has shut off automatically, it is dangerous because overfilling the fuel tank may cause fuel overflow or leakage. Fuel overflow and leakage could damage the vehicle, and if the fuel ignites, it could cause a fire explosion, results in serious injuries or death. So here we are. Job's done. The cannon stops immediately. We get back the full filler nozzle in position. And then it's time. Insert the full filler cap again. Turn it clockwise with a click. Is here? Yes. Then close the full filler flap. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel soon.